how to get a transcript from a YouTube video. You've come across a content that you want to follow along with its transcript, but you don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On YouTube, locate the video that you want to get this transcript. In this case, I'm going to my search engine and type Kamala versus Trump debate. I'm going to pick the one with this best match, then allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. In this case, I'm interested in the full debate that is between Kamala Harris and Trump in 2024. So all I have to do is to proceed to click on the video, then allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. So this may take a while depending on your network. In this case, I'm done loading the video. So I'm going to pause the video and then scroll down a bit. Then after that, I'm going to click on more. So this will redirect me to the video description that I have. In the past, it used to be located here. When you click on the three dots, you will have the option to see the transcript here. Now you have to scroll down under the video description and you will be having the transcript there. To see the transcript, just click on show transcript, and there you are. The transcript of this video is here. You can follow along the video with the live transcript that is having. So if you are not an English speaker or you don't understand the clear terms of their native language, you can follow along. If you also want to do any edit or master research on the transcript, you can follow along and copy it here. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.